Right. Good evening. My name is Eric Bubba. I'll be the instructor for World Civilization 2 Online, History 1173 R8VAA. When you log into the Canvas, you will get to, and you click on this course, you will get to this home page. If you scroll down here, there's a list of things that you need to accomplish immediately in order to get your feet set and be ready to start working in the course. You'll watch this video, which we're doing right now. The second step is read the course syllabus. If you click the link right there, it will take you to the course syllabus for this class. So instructor information, course information, goals, objectives, textbook, topic outline, how you'll be graded, and the policies, okay, which will take you all the way through here. And when you get to the end of this, and it takes you a while to get there, then there is a calendar that has a list of the assignments for this course. So beginning with the syllabus is important. Let's go back to the home page here. So we're back here. Let's scroll on down here. The instructor contact information is available on the instructor information introduction page. You can click on that. You'll see a video that I put up welcoming you and some information about how to best contact me. So that's easy to take a look at. The next thing is accessing your textbook, which we're going to do a whirlwind tour here. The information is here on this page, but the simple thing to do is scroll up. There's a link right here that says bookshelf. If you click on that link, then this will open. It will say welcome, it'll have your name, and the textbook picture will be there. If I click on this, it's going to open because it knows who I am. But let me make myself a student here real quick, and I'll show you what happens when you do it. Let's go back, click on bookshelf. Okay, so now let's click on it, and when I do, and when you do, unless you have done this before for another class, then it's going to ask you for your email address. So click in, we're going to do test student at hindscc.edu. We'll click continue, and this page will come up, and it asks you to give a first name, last name, a password that you'll confirm, answer, and make up a security question in case you forget your password. Put the correct answer there. You will click that, and you'll click finish. And when you do, then your account will be created. And next time, all you have to do is click here, and the textbook will open like so. Okay. So the table of contents button is here. So if I tell you guys you should be reading in chapter 15, then you can go over here and you can go and find chapter 15 and get going. Okay. And it's easier to kind of do it this way, but you can do it from here. But let's say that will be right in here. There's chapter 15. We will go to chapter 15 and kaboom, we're off and running. So this is how you gain access to your textbook. Okay. And you can do that from day one, and you will need to do that from day one. So create your bookshelf account first. That's a super important thing to be doing. Now, we've taken care of that. If you'll click on the textbook access information, there is a page here that talks about minimum computer requirements. I'll mention that a little bit later on. Some instant access information. Okay. And if you'll click on those links, they will take you to more instructions about how you can access the textbook. Okay. All right, let's go back to the home page. So we're whittling down our list here. Okay, so we've taken care of the textbook. This course uses modules. Many of you go over here and you say, oh, well, this is all that's due next week. Okay, wrong. The course runs through modules. If you'll click on the modules, then there's a button right here, okay, that takes you to the modules. This is how the course runs. This is how it's organized. So all of this, for example, are course policies, Hines policies, support. Then you get to week one. Your week one assignments show up here. Your opening week discussion, your orientation survey. Then you have a list of Chapter 15 materials, including your reading, a link to your reading, the instructor video, a setting the scene, which is a video, a outline of the chapter, and then your assignments, okay, which are for that chapter. So it's much easier to kind of come through and go through modules. All right, this material section is going to be the stuff that you need to be reading to do the assignments that show up here. Once we get ready to take our exam, here's our first exam, which you will note is proctored. There's a study guide, okay, and the proctored exam, okay. So this is the module section, and this is how the course works. So don't just rely on this, okay. Go to the modules and make sure that you are getting all the information that you need about the chapter. Don't ignore the modules, okay. This course uses MindTap as well. And if we go back to the modules page, you're going to see this. And if you scroll down here, Cengage has a tool that we utilize in this class called MindTap. And some of this information is going to require you to get into the Cengage site. To do that, all you do is, for example, this is a MindTap assignment. Let's click on it. When I click on that, it's going to ask me to load the activity in a new window. Okay, well, I'll do that. And this will pop up. Okay, all you got to do is create an account just like you did for your textbook. Okay, you're a new user, so click create new account. And once you do that, okay, then you'll have to click I have read and agreed to Cengage and click register, and you're done. Okay, and that should be the only time that you have to do that. So from then on, you should have access to this Cengage material. Okay, so make sure that you take care of that account. Okay, and that you do that as quick as you can. The next thing, of course, is taking care of your opening week assignments and making sure that you're preparing for proctored testing information as well. Down at the bottom, there are some important dates. Last day to withdraw, last day of classes, things like that. So that's a handy dandy little reminder there. All right, a couple of other things real quick, okay, about the course and about how we move through this course. All right, this is an 8-week course, so we're moving very quickly, twice as fast as we would in a normal online class. This class does not accept late work. Okay, so turning your assignments in, all of your assignments in on time is how you are marked present or absent for the course. If you do not turn in your assignments on time, then you will receive a 0 for that assignment. It's imperative that you complete your assignments on time. All the due dates are available from the first day. So you should be working ahead if you can. That way, there will be no excuses for missing assignments. The worst thing that you could do is to be doing really well on your exams and toting zeros for assignments that you're not turning in. You're ruining your average by doing that, and you're going to be marked absent. So the best thing to do is to make sure that you check this. You can check the calendar if you need to, but to go to the modules and take a look around as well. Okay, because every assignment over here, okay, whether it's the week 1 assignments right here or the chapter 15 assignments right here, have a due date. So that's not a guideline due date, okay? You must have this material submitted by that date. It moves at you fast. So it's important that you get in here and that you take care of this stuff. Just another little note is that I will be out of town from the first week of June. I'll be in Tampa grading AP US history exams. So that week, from about June 1st to really about June 11th or so, I will not be available during the day, but I will be online and checking assignments at night. So if you've sent me an email during the day, chances are I will reply that night. Okay. All right. Good luck to you guys, and be paying attention as we start getting into this class. All right.